Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete your Shipbox account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to create an account to delete it. So to delete your particular Shipbox account, you need to now open a website and type in the URL www.shipbox.com/delete account. This will end up in the official website where you can delete your account. So now once you're in this interface, you need to tick all the boxes and tap on request account deletion. Once you have done this, you will be forwarded to verify some documents or give some reasons why you want to delete your particular account. After you have done this, your application of request deletion will be processed and you will be receiving an email from the Shipbox team within a few times. So this is how you can simply delete your Shipbox account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.